Hello beautiful family, I have a easy wig show and tell for you all today, and this wig is brought to you by Nadula, and the wig came neatly packaged. On the inside of the baggie, it came with a adjustable elastic band that you can insert on the inside of the wig. Right here is a close-up on the inside cap construction. This wig comes with a 7x5 lace closure parting space. On the inside of the wig, they have a part where you can insert that adjustable elastic band that I was showing earlier. In the nape area, it comes with one comb and adjustable straps, and the circumference of the cap have silicone on it, so that's good, so your wig can have a nice grip. The cap material stretch, but not too much, and this is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on how the hairline comes on the lace. So this wig comes with kinky edges. The lace on the wig is pre-cut and the knots is pre-bleached. The hair pretty much came straight, but I wanted the hair bone straight. So off camera, I went in with my flat iron and I straightened this hair, and it only took me about 7 to 10 minutes. Hey there, I hope you all are doing well. So now it is time for the wig install, and I was like, sheesh, this hair is looking nice. This is nice, you guys. Look at that flow, and I don't have any product on the hair. That shine is gorgeous. And also that parting space is looking nice and flat, no humps, no lumps, no bumps. So before I go in and put the wig on my head, underneath the wig, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder and apply some of that powder underneath the lace, but only apply to the spots that we're showing. So that is the parting space and hairline. Underneath the wig, I am going in with a brown stocking cap, and right there in the back is where I hooked my adjustable straps. I'm not going to use the adjustable elastic band that they sent me, but if you need an extra secure snug fit, then I recommend using that adjustable elastic band that they sent in the package. I saw that the lace could use a little bit more extra blending, so the leftover foundation on my brush, I am just wiping that on top of the lace of the hairline. I really wanted to do this wig install glueless, but I noticed that the lace in the front could use some flattening. So I'm going to use this Wig Dealer melting spray, and I'm going to spray some of this right on the tip of the lace, then go in with my blow dryer on the warm setting, blow dry it on warm until it's completely dry. And I'm also going to use my comb and lightly press it into the spray. After that, I use my rat tail comb and comb out the kinky edges a little, also like playing with them so it covers the lace. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder again and apply some of this powder to the parting space just to help hide my wig cap underneath. So right here is my end result, and one of my favorite hair textures is a Yaki texture on a wig, and this is why, because the sleek look with Yaki hair, I don't know, it's always a flawless look, and it never needs too much product unless you're using like flyaway tamer, because the hair is so lightweight that you don't even need any product. The name of this wig on their site is Nadula Yaki Straight 7x5 and 13x4 pre-everything put and go glueless lace wig light kinky straight. I have this wig in the length 24 inches and it falls about 24 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". The hair density on this wig is 150%, but let's say you're feeling this wig, but you don't really want kinky edges. They have this option called normal edges, so you could just get the straight edges on a 7x5, and that is available in 150% 100% density or 180. And this wig is available in the length from 14 to 24 inches. The parting space is definitely giving scalp. Nadula did a great job bleaching the knots, and I am loving the hair texture. Like, it looks like a kinky straight blown out texture but permed, and it feels yaki, but it has a soft feeling to it. It doesn't feel dry, coarse, and brittle. And I love the fact that the parting space is nice and deep, because y'all already know how I feel about a deep parting space. The deeper the parting space, the more realistic a wig look. Ooh, and let me guys tell you something about the cap. The cap on this wig have a pre-shaped ear tab, so this makes it easy for your hair to go behind your ears and for it to lay nice and comfortable there without you getting a headache or a migraine. I split the hair in the back, my traction is showing, and you can't see my wig kit. This wig only comes in one size. My head circumference is 22 inches and it fits pretty good on my head. It has a nice snug fit. It doesn't feel loose, but if you have a smaller head, I recommend using that adjustable elastic band that they sent. You can even crisscross the adjustable straps. And if you have a larger head, like 23 inches, I do feel like you're in for the clear. This is big head friendly. It has some kind of stretch cap room material left in there. But if your head is larger than a 23, I don't know, boo. Check out other wig reviews just in case, because it might be a little snug or tight. Also, family, this is a 7x5 closure parting space. So you could part this wig in the right, middle, or left. You can even get jazzy with it and do a few updo styles. Like, there is a lot of parting space to go around on this wig. This last style I did would have came out really nice if I had some butterfly clips, but I'll be sure to purchase some off of Amazon, so I'll be prepared next time. But that's pretty much it for my wig show and tell. This was a very beginner friendly, easy install. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Like always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.